When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow. You got me with your logic on that one.
All right, guys. Today we've got Judge Oakley going head to head with one of the cockiest stoner kids I've ever seen. This dude really thinks he's the main character in some courtroom Netflix drama, except he forgot one important detail. He's not the hero, he's the punchline. He's floating through life like the laws don't apply to him, showing zero respect for the court, and thinking attitude is going to get him out of trouble. But Judge Oakley, yeah, he's about to deliver one of the rudest awakenings this kid's ever had. No sugarcoating, no second chances, just pure reality. So what do you guys think? Is this kid actually going to absorb anything? Judge Oakley tells him. Or is he just going to walk out of court, spark another blunt, and keep pretending life's one big TikTok skit? Let me know in the comments. Now let's dive in and watch this courtroom train wreck unfold.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
No.
Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right. I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right. I understand you're almost done with school.
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job at Father Saturday.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the day shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation is going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
I can answer that right now. This dude has definitely been smoking since he came out of the womb. Like, I swear, the doctor cut the umbilical cord and handed him a blunt. It doesn't take a genius to see it. His eyes are half closed. He's moving like a broken NPC, and he's got that classic I have no idea where I am face. Man looks like he just took a gravity bong rip in the parking lot before walking into court. And hey, being chill is one thing, but showing up to court looking like you're auditioning for a Cheech and Chong reboot is wild. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if he's high right now. What do you guys think? Am I tripping, or is this dude literally baked in front of the judge? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I swear he's floating through this whole hearing like it's a vibe check.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
when?
Yeah.
2 years ago,
Okay. How often you hit it?
that often,
What's that mean?
like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Speak.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right. If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, the Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan. The officer that got fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when I've been, I guess he got here to
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have had a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover tuition.
This dude really just said he makes $14,000 a year and was gonna go to college if he hadn't gotten fired from his little job. Like, bro, come on. That's basically like saying, I was totally gonna be a brain surgeon, but then McDonald's let me go. Be serious. I actually feel kind of bad for this kid though. If we're keeping it real, it's pretty clear he doesn't have a strong male role model in his life. Nobody's taught him how to carry himself like a man. And yeah, judges aren't exactly known for their empathy, but Judge Oakley, you can tell he genuinely cares. He's trying to talk some sense into this kid. But here's the truth, I don't think it's gonna work. This kid looks set in his ways, and I hate to say it, but even if he does go to college, he's just gonna drop out because he clearly doesn't respect any form of authority, whether it's teachers, cops, or judges. Dude's just floating through life like rules don't exist.
Okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
Honestly, I don't think this kid is gonna change a thing. He's probably gonna walk out of court, go home, and light up the Zaza like nothing ever happened. And that's the saddest parts, so many young guys out here are just lost. No direction, no discipline, no structure. Just floating through life. making the worst decisions possible. And when there's no strong male role model around, this is exactly what happens. Nobody's teaching them how to take responsibility, how to move smart, or even how to carry themselves with a little bit of pride. Instead, they treat court like a joke, like the judge is just gonna dap them up and send them home. But life doesn't work that way. The judge was 100% right. He's gonna see this kid again, because you can just feel that this dude doesn't care. But hey, that's just my 2 cents. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should we feel bad for this kid? Or is he just setting himself up for failure at this point? Drop your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post new content every single day. Appreciate y'all for watching, and as always, take care.